I have 11 by 14 canvas, and we are going to put it on the landscape way, and then we're going to start off with our sky. So let's just put on some nice crisscross strokes like that, and as we go over, leave a few holes. Just leave some holes. Okay, I'll show you why in a second. We'll start over here too. See, I want to make the corners darker than the center. Okay, I'm just putting it on crisscross strokes. Good. I want to keep the edge here darker. This is going to be such a pretty painting. Nice winter painting. Winter trees, frozen lake. You're going to love it. And we are going to just keep mixing your paints. Probably lightened up a little bit for, I should come down here a little bit. You want to keep the bottom a little lighter, so I'm going to add a little more white to it. See, I'm leaving holes, and you'll see now how nice that is when we start putting it together. All right, so put that together. Let's mist with some water, because it might be getting a little dry. I haven't used magic white on this one. You can use it if you have it. If you don't know what the magic white is, just comment below and I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so see this now? See how we are bring all that paint together, but now it's not just one color blue, it's all these, it leaves, those holes leave like clouds already made for you, because a lot of people have a hard time painting clouds, and if you do, this is a very easy way to make clouds without having to worry about it. Just leave holes and then bring it all together, and then you got instant clouds without even having to worry about it. Okay. I'm kind of not making long strokes this time. I want to make short strokes so that we can get those little bits of cloud there. Okay, see how pretty that is? So that's how you get a nice cloudy look up there, see? Without doing very much. I'm going to add a little more dark up here in the corner. See that? Just bring it into your painting. Don't worry too much. If you have any problems with anything like this, then just take your time and just gently bring that in there like that, so it all blends. See, isn't that pretty? We're going to do the bottom. So what we'll do is we will add more blue here. We want to keep the center a little light, so we'll just go and add our blue with a bit of white added to it, so we can keep that little bit of a cloudy look to it. And do this. I'm going to add more white in the center here. See that? Now, look at all that beautiful clouds and all kinds of good stuff going on there. Keep going. Now I have some magic white here that I made up myself. I can give you the recipe if you request it. If you want, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to put some magic white on the bottom part just to show you the difference it makes when you're painting and how easy it is to blend and spread your paint. So I'm just going to clean my brush off, and I'm going to take my magic white right here. It's just blending gels and white paint, and if you don't want to add white paint, you can just use blending gel. So basically that's all it is, but I have a recipe that works really well if you want to check that out. So I'm just going to put my magic white on first. Okay, just putting on some, you don't need very much. So this is what we're doing, and just see the difference now when you're do the top half without the magic white and do the bottom half with magic white, you'll see a big difference. But not everybody wants to use it, so you put on whatever you want. And it'll extend the blending time for almost an hour in some cases. So now I'm going to do the bottom part. Just picking up my blue again, and a little bit of white to it, I think. Now the blending, the magic white will brighten it up a bit too. Now see, look, I mean that's way different. It's amazing. It's so beautiful when you use magic white. It's so much easier. Trying to keep that shadow out of your way there. So I'm going to add more blue because I want to get that nice dark blue in the corners so I can bring everything to the center. It'll pull your eye into the center. Okay, nice and dark down there, look. Isn't that nice? And over here, I might need to add, because I have magic white on there, lighten it up a little bit, but that's okay. I just love magic white. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit of white to my brush. And then I'm going to get this all on here. Bring it all together. See? And look how much easier it is to just, you'll find a difference. Try both with and without, and you will find a big difference. But you don't always have to use it, because sometimes it may not work in some paintings where you're trying to add highlights and light colors on top of dark colors, because if it's still wet, the dark will blend in with the lighter color. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so gorgeous. All right. Yeah, look at that. Really pretty. So I'm just going to clean it up now, whatever way you want it. I'm just going to add a little more blue to the edges here. And that'll blend right in with the white. You won't have to worry about it ruining your painting or anything. It'll just darken up the edges here a bit more. Some dark, with your dark blue. See? So pretty, and it's so enjoyable. Up here, now that's all dry, so I'm not going to go up there. But down here it's still wet. See where I put the magic white on? But I can't do that up there because I'll end up just painting over what I already have done. But here, I can paint it and it won't paint over everything. It'll just blend in and make it a little darker, but it's still blending. See? Once you start using it, you'll probably get hooked. That's pretty. I'm just going to scoot back and forth here for the bottom part here, just to get it to blend a little more. Top part, I can't go near it. Dried up on me. Down here, look, I can work and work and work. Probably for another hour if I wanted to. Nice and soft down there, isn't that nice? Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.